Okay, guys, we're back. It takes turn to vocabulary. Lesson 5. We are in lesson 5, remember? So these are the first 4 words from our story, okay? These are the first 4 words of our story. Here they are. The words are converts, okay? Device, efficiency, and generated. Converts, changes. Device, invent. Efficiency, ability to produce the effect wanted. And generated means to be produced. I wrote down some sentences that you can use with these words, guys, okay? I wrote them down and they might help you out, okay? So the sentence I wrote, remember, it's word, sentence, illustration, and definition. So the sentence that I wrote down for number 1, this converts into power. Something that converts, it's something that changes. A device is an invention when you invent something. He devised the benefits of the current. I told you that in this story we're going to find out about this scientist that, wow, he had a lot of inventions. You're going to be so surprised what he invented. So he made a lot of devices to do that. And he had sort of like an efficiency to do it. So remember, it's the ability to produce. So we can use this sentence that says, he dedicated time to improve the efficiency of the radio. And in generated, it means produced. The horsepower generated the AC motor. So guys, take a pause in the video and you can copy the words and the sentences in your notebook. You can print them, you can color them, illustrate them, draw them, whatever you want. So let me write the other 4. Okay, guys, so we are back with the other 4 words. I have given you the first 4 sentences of the words from your list. So what I want you to do is please write your own with the next 4 following words. If you have a doubt of how to make a sentence, you can consult Google, you can go to the Thesaurus, your dictionary. It's a very good page to make sentences. Think, analyze, how would you reproduce or make a sentence with the following words, okay? So the words are percentage, proclaimed, reproduce, and transmitted. What does it mean? Percentage, it's allowance. When you are figured by percent, okay? Allowance figured by percent. That is a percentage of something. Another synonym that can be in this word is a measure, guys, is a measure of how often an event will occur instead of another. It can be percentage. Another synonym that you can use for percentage. It changes odds, it's a probability. That is percentage. That's why it means allowance. Allowance is to permit. Okay? Next word, proclaimed, to declared publicly. To proclaim is to declare when there's a lot of people. That's why it says publicly. Another synonym that you can use for this is to announce, or is to declare, or to blaze, to broadcast. That is to proclaim. Okay? Maybe, for example, you're gonna go on a very long trip with your family and you want to proclaim the announcement. Okay? Next one, to reproduce, to make a copy of, so everybody knows what reproduce is. And transmit it, sort out by means of electromagnetic waves. This is talking about, this is all related to inventions, because we're gonna find out the biography of a very famous inventor, a scientist, okay? So the word transmitted is in the story. So maybe you can write a sentence, and a synonym of transmitted is to transmit. That means transmit is to conduct, to convey, to sort of like to spread, to transfer. That means to transmit. In this case, it says the definition like this because it's related to the story we're going to read about this famous inventor, guys. So, percentage, proclaimed, reproduce, and transmitted. These are the words we're going to see in the story of, let me tell you the word, the name, the exact name of this famous inventor. This famous inventor was called, it's not Thomas Alva Edison. He was, you know what? He was like his, how would you say it? He was sort of like, he was walking in the headquarters with him, but he was like his, together with another person, it was like his the competition. That's what I want to say. He was a competitor together with Thomas Alva Edison. Okay? So everybody knows the words. Copy them down. Remember, I give extra points for illustrations. And good luck. See you in grammar.